Let's fix some VKVL power mirrors. Remove mirror from car. Then push the glass down as shown to remove the large metal retaining clip. This gets the glass off. Refit the clip as shown. Remove the 3 old screws and discard them. Next, carefully pull the old wire through. Cut the old motor off and put to the side. We need it later. Tape the end of the new loom onto the old one. Pull the loom back the other way to feed the new loom into the mirror. Untape the looms, but keep the old one. We need the plug. Next, you will need a tiny flat blade screwdriver or terminal removal tool. You need to unclip the old terminals from the plug by releasing each small clip that holds them in. Then insert the new terminals into the original plug as shown. Brown wire goes in top center, black in bottom left, white in bottom right. Take the rear covers off both motors, use the one from the old motor and discard the rest. Fit the new motor into place using the new screws, ensuring the wires are not squashed or damaged. Put some grease on the cogs. Then we refit the glass. Put some grease on these points of the clip to make it easier. Sit the glass in place and push evenly in the middle to clip it back on. It can be tricky to do, and if you're too rough, you may break the glass. If the glass isn't straight, you can twist clockwise or anti-clockwise to line it up. Refit to car and you're done.